This one's fine, but I hope. Oh, if not, you gotta tighten your seatbelts. But this is crazy.
When was the first time?
Up from when we get up there, it's a trail up, but it's only about maybe 20 minutes up and 20 minutes down. But if you want to see the fort itself, and then, but there's a lot of other variety of things you can. Whoever doesn't want to make it, if you have bad knees or something. Hopefully, yep. Anyways, there's only one shop on the island. A lot of horses, a lot of cars, a lot of everything. There's one shop, and that's the spare. But years ago, when I was growing up, now that I'm a big man, hopefully, there was a lot of shops. What the hell is he doing? Can you see my horse is pulling weight? What's the gear up? Take your time. That's the spare anyways, and the tree's just down behind you. It's a bit of gardens in the cover. You won't hear my language. Get up, Billy. There's one, two, three pubs on the island. The alcoholics, most of them are dead, so they ran out of booze. Get up. Three churches, 3 schools, and 1 high school. Go on, Billy, up, get up. And 3 cemeteries, so there must have been 3 musketeers at one time, but everything came in 3s. Not enough of them once. But only this town here, all locked and Stone Age, past the exit so you can get out. We're still in town. Get up. The island is 11.5 miles long from end to end, and the width would be 6 miles wide, and the narrowest place is up on Bondi Beach, where we're heading. Get up. That used to be a pub. There used to be great crack in there. Get up. And there's the guard station, the state troopers are down there. That's a co-op. Very seldom. The spare is still up because you only see them once in a blue moon. Twice they come out at night, which I don't mind. This is a Protestant church. It was there before I was born, but I don't know whatever. There's a few headstones here and there.